Hey guys, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Grisso, and we have a fresh trade-in just for you guys. This is a beautiful 2017 certified Honda Pilot Touring Edition with wraparound headlights and taillights, fog lights and daytime running lights, alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors with Honda lane watch on the side, roof rails, and privacy glass. This all-wheel drive is an astounding SUV. Well, let me go over some of the inside features. Coming to the back of the Pilot here, you're going to see we do have that nice third row that does fold down nice and flat if you need the extra cargo room. We have a false floor right here that not only flips, but it has a reversible side. One side's cloth, the other side's plastic. If you have anything dirty you need to throw in your trunk, you could also store it down underneath for some extra storage room in the back. Coming to the second row here, we have the bench seating, leather interior. We also have a rear entertainment system up here with a built-in remote control system with a tri-zone climate control. And guys, down here, this is where you control everything for the rear entertainment system as well. Coming to the front, we have loads of cool features. We got the sunroof, the LED display for your backup camera, your radio, your AM, your FM. We have button pushes for the transition of the engine. We have different tread control systems as well as an auto idle engine stop, which is always a cool feature to explain, but you gotta come check it out in person. I'd love to go over the rest of these features with you. All right, everyone, this is a phenomenal SUV, but you gotta come check it out in person. Don't just take my word for it. Again, it is certified and an all-wheel drive, so it's gonna have plenty of warranty. My name is Sterling Grisso. I work at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. And if you guys want to ride somewhere in comfort, style, and safety, then not only am I your salesman, we're your dealership, but this is your SUV.